The pyramids of Egypt have captivated us for centuries. Towering over the sands, they stand as testaments to a lost civilization. We marvel at their scale and precision. But what if these structures were more than just tombs? What if they were powerful machines designed to harness a hidden energy source? This is a question that has intrigued researchers for decades. Could the ancients have possessed knowledge far beyond what we give them credit for? The Great Pyramid of Giza is the most impressive of them all. Its internal chambers and passages have long puzzled archaeologists. The King's Chamber in particular holds a clue. This chamber is constructed using massive blocks of granite. Why go to such lengths to use this specific material? The answer may lie in the unique properties of the crystals within the granite. Granite contains a high proportion of quartz crystal. Quartz is known to possess piezoelectric properties. This means that it generates an electric charge when subjected to pressure or vibration. Was this property known to the ancient Egyptians? Could they have used it to their advantage? The theory suggests that the king's chamber was designed to vibrate. This vibration, amplified by the pyramid's shape, would interact with the quartz in the granite. Imagine the Earth itself as a giant energy source. Our planet vibrates at various frequencies. One such frequency is known as the Schumann resonance. Could the pyramid have been designed to resonate with this natural frequency? If so, the quartz in the king's chamber would be constantly stimulated, generating a flow of energy. This energy, in turn, could have been directed and harnessed by the ancient Egyptians. The design of the Great Pyramid is nothing short of extraordinary. Its smooth, angled sides are perfectly aligned with the cardinal points. Even today, we struggle to replicate such precision. It is possible that this shape was not merely aesthetic. Could it have been designed to focus and amplify the Earth's natural energy? Some researchers believe that the pyramid acted like a giant lens, concentrating energy into the king's chamber. Further adding to the mystery are the shafts that emanate from the king's chamber. These narrow passages were once believed to be simple ventilation shafts. However, their precise alignment with certain stars suggests a more complex purpose. Could these shafts have acted as conduits directing the harnessed energy to other locations? Could they have powered ancient temples or even entire cities? The idea of ancient Egyptians harnessing the power of crystals and pyramids may seem like something out of science fiction, yet it is not so far-fetched when we consider the work of Nikola Tesla. Tesla, a visionary inventor, firmly believed in the possibility of wireless energy transmission. He even demonstrated his theories through a series of groundbreaking experiments. Is it possible that Tesla was simply rediscovering knowledge that had been lost for millennia? The pyramids of Egypt remain an enigma. They are a reminder that our understanding of the past is far from complete. While the theory of pyramid power may never be definitively proven, it serves as a powerful reminder of the ingenuity of our ancestors. It challenges us to question conventional wisdom and to explore the world with open minds. Perhaps one day, we will unlock the secrets of these ancient wonders and rediscover a lost chapter in human history.